What are triglycerides? Triglycerides are animal fats and vegetable oils where three fatty acid residues are joined to a glycerol molecule by ester bonds.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Alexandria, and today we're going to talk to you about triglycerides. Triglycerides can be used by animals for the provision of fatty acids in the production of lipid insulation, energy storage, and production of energy when metabolized.
Triglycerides are three fatty acid residues joined to glycerol by ester bonds. This is an example of the general form of a triglyceride. On the right, we have the glycerol. On the left, we have the fatty acids. We join these to create a triglyceride by dropping the OH from the glycerol and the H from the three fatty acids. This is what you get when you drop the OH from the glycerol and the H from the fatty acids. Remember to add the 3H2O after joining the bonds. This is an example of a saturated triglyceride.
A saturated triglyceride is a triglyceride that contains no carbon-to-carbon double bonds. Saturated triglycerides can be found in animal fats, which are solid at room temperature.
If you were given these three fatty acids and this glycerol, how would you form the final triglyceride? This is the final form of the triglyceride. Don't forget to add the 3H2O from dropping the OH from the glycerol and the H from the fatty acids. This creates a monounsaturated triglyceride.
Monounsaturated triglyceride is a triglyceride molecule that only contains one carbon-to-carbon double bond.
If you were to join these three fatty acids with this glycerol, what would be the final form of this triglyceride? This is the final form of the triglyceride that you would create. Do not forget to add the 3H2O when dropping the OH from the glycerol and the H from the three fatty acids. This creates a polyunsaturated triglyceride.
A polyunsaturated triglyceride is a triglyceride that contains at least two carbon-to-carbon double bonds. Unsaturated triglycerides can be found in vegetable oils, which are liquid at room temperature.
Thank you for watching our video on triglycerides, made by Alexandria and Michelle. To recap, triglycerides can create saturated triglycerides and unsaturated triglycerides, which can be subcategorized into monounsaturated triglycerides and polyunsaturated triglycerides.